lads. This is the downside to having a cat. I'm not picking it up, that's disgusting. Oh my god, don't fuck it.
Where is it?
It's here.
At the bottom of the stairs?
I don't want to go near it.
Right, go get it. Have you got a piece of paper and something? You can pick it up. Oh, it's cute, isn't it?
It's pretty cute, yeah.
Oh, Jess.
If you just tune in, this is a car channel, I promise.
Yeah.
Well, it hardly looks bloody alive.
It's just been wriggling.
Oh, it's moving. Well, we can't leave it. It's hardly bloody gonna survive, is it?
It might survive, it might just be shocked. It's got no physical wounds on it. Throw a brick on it, Fred.
Oh, God. You're horrible. Where is she? Oh. Look at his car. I love it. Come out for a driveway.
Beautiful. Do I love it?
You'll be getting loads of VW people messaging you now.
Why?
Kicking off at you.
Don't get me on that.
Right then, so we've been driving around with the Evo. Oh, for fuck's sake. And it's missing something. And it's missing the bass, especially after being in this fucking whip. We're missing the bass. It's got decent speakers in, it's got like 6x9s in the back. But oh, it's a bit busy on the road, looking at some twat with a camera. I ain't videoing all this because I've done a sub about 2 times on the fucking channel now. And it's pretty easy. The only thing is, the hardest thing is just getting it through the actual firewall in the car. It's so fucking boring. But I think I've seen wires here. And I don't know what they're for. Is it, oh, they're just speaker wires. I think, oh wait, no. We've got a few wires here. So hopefully, I'm hoping one of these is a power cable. And we can actually just tap off that. Right, let's see if there's a cable up here. Or a boost. Oh, there's a big red cable. That's good news. Oh no, wait, so there's 2 big red cables. I'm just gonna pull one of them. Right, this will be easy, this then. We'll be done in 10 minutes. We'll be done in 10 minutes. There's 2 big red cables. Where the fuck are they going? Right, let's pull all this shit off. Let's have a look. And then we're letting you have a go with the Evo, aren't we? Then we're letting you have a go with the Evo, aren't we? Yeah. Ugh. That's a video in itself, that. Just got a lovely assistant just untangling some wires. This is annoying, it's like simple jobs was made fucking difficult because wires are tangled, I've lost my crimps, someone's come rob me all my tools again. 10-minute job just turned into a 25-minute job, doesn't it? Videoing, yeah. It's video. Right, because of people not knowing how to use cable ties properly, people using wiring incorrectly, a 10-minute fucking thing has turned into a 30-minute video of me ranting. And I'm not happy, and I really don't want to do this anymore. Hence why my back is in a position like this shit. I don't want to do this anymore. I'm hurting, I'm angry, I'm hungry, I just want some sausages. But the other bitch in the house is taking too long doing that. Shout out Joanne, I love you really. Story, the model of this rant is, I'm not videoing this because it's taking way too long. And Princess doesn't really want to watch this, do you?
I ain't fussed, me.
You've what, sorry?
I'm not fussed.
You're not fussed?
No.
And I'm really scared because all these wires are cable tied to ECU wires. And I've only got this thing, which is, it's not the most precise cutter in the world. Long story short, I ain't videoing this. You've seen a sub install. So yeah, next time you see us, we'll be dead happy when we're listening to MGK's M&N disc, because it's a fucking tune and I'm obsessed with it. So now you see a visually, but in a minute you're going to see a happily banging out the tunes and the bass. Alright? Are we good? Is that your shoe?
What? No, that's a toolbox. Doesn't
it help that I've got a snapback on because I've not got any head movement? Right, let's cut this. I think it'd be funnier. Is that funnier? Right, babe, I've got a job for you.
Okay.
It's them two big red wires. Just pull them.
Both of them?
Yeah, both of them. There you go, good girl. Keep going. It's stiff. Hey, there we go. I'll be back. I need help. I don't know how bad I do.
doing the limbo.
Good job I did leg days today, wasn't it? Sarcasm. A little bit of a dinner break. You what, Prin? She has indeed. Is it nice?
Anything's nice right now.
Anything's not. Don't know what she means by that, but does that mean you're not having a good time? That's what that means. It means she's not having a good time. This fucking PVC valve's popped off as well, so we need to go back down about this nail lad. Gives a grommet, man. He was saying it's pretty bad, to be fair. He was saying don't drive off. He was saying keep off boost. He's going to be spitting oil out. I think it's just a breather. We'll be alright. Let me eat my food. Do you want the good news or the bad news? Good news is the radio comes off dead easy. This is good news. The bad news is we don't have any RCA plugs, meaning it's not going to work. Meaning there's no way for it to actually get any sound.
Okay, so positive thinking.
Yeah.
Plan B.
It's either a new radio.
Great, get one from Halfords.
Yeah, but it's money that way. We might have some cheap ones. Or it's buy an RCA splitter and put it into the speaker wires, which is a bit annoying. Personally, I'd just go for a new radio.
But my German card is.
Yep. I bet it doesn't, because have you got a standard radio in? Is it standard radio? Yeah. We're not got RCA plugs in, so fuck you and your German way. But it's probably good news because this radio's only got aux cable, so to change songs you have to actually like change it over via your phone. So it's quite dangerous.
I do that.
You're on camera, no you don't. Yeah, we change over with the radio on my bed. But well, what I've had to do is every time I have to change a song, I have to pull over to the side of the road, turn the engine off, change song, and then turn my car and go back on again. So it's a bit. So I'm always late for everything, so I end up being like 2 hours late because, you know, legally you can't change the song over while you're driving, so you have to pull over to the side of the road, turn your engine off because you're not allowed to have the phone on while your engine's on. Change the song, you know, because that's what you got to do to be legal, isn't it? So.
Mine's not actually a phone, it's an iPod.
It's an iPod, so show us the rules, police. Huh. No, but should we go and buy a new radio?
Yeah, we should.
Fucking money. Fucking hell. I bet only half went down my mouth, otherwise I was saving my throat. I always say, you can always get money back, but you can never get missed opportunities back. Not sure how that relates to this situation, because it's not really a missed opportunity, is it? Oh, hey, no, it is. I'm missing out on the base. Right, here we are. Let's get this PVC valve bloody sorted.
Bet is that the other piece of that's inside your engine somewhere.
Oh, is it? Oh, bollocks. Is it plastic or like rubber?
The rubber, but they go shitter. Somebody's silicon that one. Maybe the other half's not in the engine.
Hopefully not.
But
it has been pretty.
They are rubber, but they go hard over time. When I'm being second hand, not breaking and putting them in. I'll try warming up in some water.
The blues. My boys. So my main boy Dan sorted us out with a PVC PP valve. We're gonna buy a radio. They better have some deals on, because if man's gonna spend over 50 quid, I'm not gonna be happy. We're not all rich like you, so 50 quid's my limit. The cheaper the better. As long as it's got USB, that's all I care about. All right then. Let's put it in here, shall we? Yeah. Because man's used to putting radios in outside Halfords. So you don't know, that's what I used to do for a job.
Did you actually used to fit them as well?
Yeah, that's what I used to do.
Oh, no way.
Come on, fit radios. It was great. Come out here, I've got my phone out. Put my tunes on. Have a laugh. Now this should turn on when the key's on. Hey!
You?
Check me, Halfords taught me well. We taught me well, lads. It's filming. Right, we're on. The sub is on. Sub is on full. Now, the lovely people waiting for the tracking might be out fucking raving with us if it's working. Let's see. General, set area. We have to do all this bollocks. Oh no, we don't. Source. Aux.
Look at you smile. Thanks.
Wait. We should be playing.
See us
Is the sub working though? Copyright. Hang on, I need to get a non-copyrighted song on. Hold on. And it's a bassy tune as well. We ready?
Yep.
Right, that's playing. Let me see if the sub's actually on. We're on. Let's wait for the drop. Woo! Are you ready?
I am.
Well, let's get on extra bass quick. We'll get R&B, a lot on R&B. Quick! Are you excited? Wait, it's on full as well.
No.
I've got it on full bass, full gain, full frequency. I.e. we're fucking ready. Get ready! Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I hope it's good.
I'll laugh if it's not.
Shout out Prismo, I like him. Are you ready? Here we go! Is it gonna be bassy? It's woo! Yeah!
Oh, that's horrific.
Yeah, we need to turn that a bit down, don't we? The speakers are actually good. The thing is, this car, like, the speakers are actually good in the front, but because we had no bass, it was just struggling at the top end. Now we're fucking laughing. Where's Machine Gun Kelly?